Welcome guys to another lab of this course, Data Science and Machine Learning with R. So in this lab we are going to performing the logistic regression here, that where we use the different functions and the data set that are provided in R. So we use the GLM here in this format, as there you can see, and the other we use the empty cars that I've shown you in the previous. So firstly we have to assign the value over here, that is input, empty cars, we have to give the comma C, AM. I'm just taking it from the empty cars, at where I'm using the different one, not to all, but I choose some specific here. So now the input is assigned as here the empty cars, the value that we given over here. So if I'm press type here the print head, so input, we get these values, the AM, CYL, HP and WT that we given over here. So I'm using the AM here, dot data as GLM formula equals to AM, which is here the CYL plus HP and WT. Now we have to give the data equals to input that we provide, family, I'm taking it here the binomial, and here it is. So at there you can see am.data is assigned here as the list of 300. So if I'm checking over here am.data, at there we get that we make here the GLM formula equals to this, and the intercept and its values. So as there you can see our logistic regression is successful over here and it's working. So to use this you can give the values over here that we give in the multiple regression. So to print the summary over here you have to give print summary, there we have to give the am data, am.data. So as there we get the summary with the coefficients, residual events, AIC that is 17.841, which has been calculated over here, where we have the number of Fisher scoring iterations, that is 8. So this is how you can perform logistic regression here by giving these value. So I hope you understand about how you can perform the logistic regression. So that's all in this video. Thank you.